Welcome to Aryant English Medium School, Solapur for online teaching session 2020-21. Myself, Mrs. Lata Kodam, and I am the teacher of EVS subject. Students, today we are going to learn our second lesson, that is so many kinds of animals. You will easily recognize the animals in this picture. Tell their names and also their special features. We can see elephant. The elephant is the largest animal in the earth. And the birds. Birds fly high in the sky. Where will you find us? We are of different colors. The egret is white. The egret is white. The crow and the buffalo are black. But the peacock has many different colors. All the animals are different colors. We may be big, we may be small. The horse and the bullock are large size. The horse and the bullock are large size. Can you tell which animal runs very fast? Yes, cheetah. Cheetah runs very fast. Which animals move very slowly? Yes, the answer is sloth. We move in different ways. A squirrel is a small animal. It is nimble. It climbs up a tree quickly and swiftly runs along its branch. The elephant's body is bulky. Its legs are heavy. The elephant cannot run at any great speed. The deer has thin legs. It runs very fast. A frog's hind legs are long, so it can easily hop, jump, and leap. Can you tell students, why do we keep cows? Name some other animals that are useful to us. The cow gives us milk. The sheep gives us wool. The hens gives us eggs and meat. Now we will see in detail how animals are useful to us. People love to keep animals. The dog guards our house. People like to keep cats too. Cow, buffalo, goat gives us milk. Some people keeps hens. We can get meat, milk and eggs from animals. Bullocks help with the farm work, hitched to cart. They can draw heavy burdens too. Horses and donkeys too are used to carry burdens. We look after the animals we keep. We feed them. We take care of them when they are ill. The animals we keep became very dear to us. We, the great crashers. Some animals enter our house even though we don't want them. Mice and rats destroyed store gain besides gnawing other things in the house. Sometimes we find bed bugs in our house. They suck our blood. Spiders make cobwebs in the house. Mosquitoes, flies, gnats, and cockroaches are a nuisance too. Even so, these troublesome animals too have an important place in nature. We have seen that animals around us can be grouped in different ways. We form these groups using our everyday observation. However, when scientists classify animals, they look at the more important characteristics of animals. Let us see how they do it. We fly. Birds have only two legs. They have two wings to fly with. Their body is covered with feathers. There are differences in flying ability of different birds. The eagle can soar high into the sky and stay in the air for a long time. But the cock does not fly high and comes down soon too. Animals which creep and crawl. Chameleons, house lizards, and snakes are animals that crawl. They have scales on their bodies. Chameleons and house lizards have four legs, but these legs are very short. The snake does not have any legs at all. We are called insects. Butterflies have wings too, but we don't call them birds. They are insects. They are smaller than birds. Besides, they have 6 legs. Animals which have 6 legs are called insects. So, butterflies are insects. Mosquitoes, houseflies, and cockroaches are insects too. Students, tell me what we have learned. Different animals are found in the air, on the ground, and in water. There are differences in the colors, shapes, and sizes of animals and also in the ways they move. We find some animals useful. We keep such animals. Some animals are nuisance for us. Scientists classify animals according to certain importance characteristics. Okay students, today is this much. We'll meet you in the next period again.